We are back for part 2 of our project for animals and STEM careers. So we want to, we had closed out our project. We finished the project where we inserted our images and we added our text. Now we're going to go find our project again. So you're going to go, remember to open up Google Chrome, and you're going to go to your Google Launcher. Sometimes we refer to it as the waffle, but it's the Google Launcher. We're going to select it. And then let's go to your docs. All right, now this time you don't have to add the plus sign anymore, because if you look below, you'll see your project because you've already titled it Animals and STEM Careers. So go ahead and open up that document. And I already inserted all of my animals. And now I want to add, I call this the bells and whistles, but basically all you're going to do is edit your titles and your images by making sure they're neatly resized and they're even, because we want to create a poster. So we're going to take a look at the images that need to be resized, selected. Make sure you resize them all. If you like what you see, remember, you can go to the next one. If you don't like what you see, you can go to go to undo. And if you change your mind, you can go to redo. I can't remember if we talked about that last time. So after you're happy with the way that your image sizes look, I'm going to resize some of these so they can be just a little smaller. You can make it as even if you sometimes people like their posters to be picture perfect, and you can do that. What you can do is, let me make this a little bit smaller as well. Let me see if I can try something here, so I can make it a little bit better. Yes, a little bit better. I like that. Okay, so I'm happy with the way this looks. So now I want to create a different type of look, because it's right now it's a little plain. So I'm going to highlight animals, and I'm going to change the font. Now you have a list here of lots of different types of fonts. You can select any type of font that you want. You can highlight it and make it bold. You can italicize it. It's up to you. If you want to make it a little bit larger, you can do that. It's whatever you want to do. Now, what I tend to do sometimes, I may go in and I may highlight different letters, just to kind of play with it to see how it looks. So I might highlight STEM and make that a little bit larger than maybe some of the other letters in my title. Because remember, this is a poster, and this is where you can get as creative as you want. I want you to play with a lot of the tools that they have here on the ribbon. And I want you to change the fonts. I want you to see the type of fonts that they have available for you. And we'll have a lesson on fonts and getting fonts a little bit later, but I want you to change all of the fonts that we have here. And I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Now, this is what I'm doing. You can use your own creation. All right, so far it looks a little interesting. I'm not sure I'm happy with the way that looks. I'm going to change that font again. We'll try that. Oh, you know what? I kind of like that one. All right, so we'll change it, and I like that. So we'll make it like that. That's just me. I'm going to also, my name as well, I'm going to probably use a cursive writing for my name, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so far so good. I like the way this looks. So I want you to go in and change all the way your fonts look. Okay, you can do that. Or you can just simply highlight if you want them all to be the same. And or if you want to go one by one, it's up to you. It's whatever you want to do. Now, next thing is I want to add border to these images. So you're going to select here and make sure that when you select it that it turns blue, because now we're going to add a border. So let's add 4-point border. All right, now it does not have to be the same color. If you want to change colors for your border, all you have to do is when you select it, your border, and you can go to see where it says border color. You can simply select that and you can change the colors of your border. All right, so it does not have to be the same color. So you go to each of your pictures and then you can add border. Some other things that you can do if you want to change the color of your if you want to change the color of your text, you simply go to the A that's here, and then you can change the color of your text as well. Okay, so I want you to add that. I want you to be creative. I don't want to show you anything else. I want to see what you come up with. And then we'll have one more step, and that'll do it for us. All right, so let's get started.